Yo, what's up guys, it's Baron. I want to welcome you to my new channel. You know, recently I've been in the market to start something new, and I thought might as well show what I've been doing, my projects, you know, and Beamers for me, they come and go. So I don't know when I'll have a dope setup like this again. So I thought maybe I should just film it, show you guys the process of the as-is, the cars I got, and then what they turn into after a couple weeks, after a couple months. So let me show you guys what I'm dealing with right here. I got one 2000 5-speed wagon. As you can see, it's a Slicktop, and 2004 Imola red ZHP 6-speed. Currently is as is condition, so I have not done anything to it. You know, it needs some work. It needs a couple of those, a couple of these, a couple of those. It's pretty clean, you know, just needs some vacuuming. I'm just gonna clean it up and see what I find in there. And this one, I've had it for a couple months now. I did all the window regulators, waxed it with my friend Kevin. He helped me wax it. Yesterday I finished the trim, so I repainted the trim, so now it's looking good. The hatch in the back, I redid the shocks, OEM shocks. There. This right here, these shocks, so, you know, all stays up. I'll show you guys in here a little bit. This thing was a super sitter. I had to take out the whole interior, strip it, front seats. I don't know if I pulled the back seats. I think I just vacuumed under there, but you wouldn't imagine how much stuff was in there. So I had to pull it, vacuum a whole bunch of stuff. Besides that, it's coming along cool. Both of these still need a good amount of work. This one, not sure how long I'm gonna keep it, so I might just do, you know, just the cosmetic stuff here. That one though, I want to do a whole cooling system rebuild, what I did on my last one, and maybe, you know, do an oil filter, housing gasket, all the basic stuff for these engines. Production, my name is Nikita. I go by Bayrain. That's my name that I sell beats under, or make beats under, and I just thought might as well, you know, run with that. I've been doing BMW stuff for, I would say, like 6, 7, 8 years now. My boy Kevin got me into it. Check out his channel, Project BMW. And back then we were doing like E30 stuff, and that was pretty much all that we did. I think I had 4 or 5 E30s, only one that ran. The other were just parts cars. And more recently I got back into it. Last year I actually copped an E36 and I restored it. It had only 69,000 original miles. I got it repainted. I put the whole M3 body kit on it. And then a couple days ago I just sold my E46. It was a 328i Slicktop. You know, it's kind of rare, and that was like a complete barnyard find. And I restored it, you know, had 15 check engine codes, got down to 0, got smogged, and just sold it. And that's when I bought the red one. So I just want to show you guys around and show you the cars that I'm dealing with right now. Both of these, the front ends, you know, both have really foggy headlights, as you can see right here. Can't see anything through those driving at night. Can't see nothing. That thing needs to be repainted. Missing the vent right here. I'll give you guys a little start just so you could hear how this one sounds. Ooh. Has a carbon fiber, sport seats. Really clean headliner. Let me start this one up. Show you guys what this one sounds like. Ooh. My key, man. It's the problem with having too many cars, man. Can't find the keys. All right, let's see. So you know this one doesn't sound too crazy.
Well, if you've been digging the cup.
It sounds stock. You can see. Slicktop, both really clean. This one needed a lot of work. I'm still I need a new cable. The back doors, I've been messing around, man, for a minute trying to figure out the lock actuators. I keep unlocking it with the key and it does not unlock those. I've tried 4 different lock switches. I've tried about 10 actuators, still doesn't work. So that's something I still need to mess around with. If not, I'm just gonna put the seats down and have those permanent closed. if I can't find a part out which has, you know, working ones, I could just swap it in. So that's it pretty much for these two. Let me pop the hood so you guys can compare the another thing I did was the hood switch. That was something I had to do because this thing, the hood was not opening, the hood latch cable, I mean. Let me pop this one open. She's dripping because I just washed her, just the hood off for the video. So let's see, this is the 5 Series version. This is the 3 Series version. This is a lot faster. And this is a 2004, that's a 2000, so you know they did some changes to it, the airbox. This one has this, which I think is only ZHP. It's like a second MAF filter or something, looking like that. I haven't really done anything to it. Like I said, my last one, I took it apart. The E46, I took apart about 2-3 times. I did so much stuff to it, get it smogged, and these I haven't really done anything to. So I just want to show you the, you know, the condition they are now before I start doing a little more to them. So yeah, that's enough of the engine bay. I'm gonna see more of that soon, unfortunately. But yeah. You know, this thing definitely needs some TLC, but I got it from the second owner who got it 13 years ago, 20,000 miles. I believe it's at 120 or 130. This thing on the other hand is at 280, so a little bit different. This one, I love how it runs. Honestly, this one is super fast. You know, it's flashy, it's fun, but I just love how, for some reason, like how the clutch feels, how this one drives. It's so big and smooth. ZHP mobs. This one's more my style though, for sure. I'm more of a hoopty driver. That's just me though. I've had mostly only beaters, so these are my two that I've had that I consider kind of cool, rare beamers that you don't really see. That's why I decided to film this. Last owner zip tied that. They bapped that with some paint peel. But you know, I did the trim, it's looking good, got it registered. Besides that, man, these two they're promising, man. I'm really happy because I finally have two beamers. It's not like some project hoopties that I've had. These are actually two legit ones. So let's start off this video with the first thing I want to do, which is do this car and see what I find in there. Maybe find something fun, or and clean it up, vacuum, and, you know, do all that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for more, and hope you guys like the content. Let's get it. Alright, I shouldn't have freaking threw that emblem in here because now I gotta find it because I need to find the part number to order a new one. It's no aftermarket in this piece. We're doing OEM. We're going OEM, baby, on the ZHP. No aftermarket. Unless it's hell expensive, then maybe. Then maybe we'll go on aftermarket. I get dirty as hell. Hold up.